Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to solve quadratic equation using factorization methods. For you to solve quadratic equation using factorization methods, you have to find the two numbers. If you add, you get 4x. If you multiply, you get 1 minus 1. Provided that if the coefficient of the a, because quadratic equation is in the form of a, b, c. The c is the constant. If there is a number attached to a, you must multiply this number by this 1. This shows that you are going to get the abstract 5 minus 5 here without changing the c. That's the constant. Then let's find two numbers. If you add, you get minus 4. If you multiply, you get minus 5. And the number is, we can say we have 5x squared minus 5x minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. Because if we say 5x minus x is equals to 4x, and 5x times x, 5 times 1 is equals to 5. Minus 5 times 1 is equals to minus 5. That is, this equation is satisfied. Then the next step, now you can factorize. Since you find the two numbers, if you add, you get minus 4. If you multiply, you can get minus 5 because of this 5. Because in the first stage, you can multiply this 5 by this one. Because if there is no any number here, then you can consider the different steps. Okay, now we can factorize. What is the factor between here and here? Then here, I'm going to look at the factor here and here. What is the factor here? 5 is the factor here. We have 5. Again, the x here, we have x here. X is the factor. Then inside the bracket here remain x minus here. We have 5x outside. We can have only 1 inside. Then here we have x here, we have x1 here. Then we have 1x here, we have 1 here. Therefore we have plus 1 into here we have x. Then since this is minus x, then here we can say we have minus here. But if you keep minus here, then we can put x here. Then here we can put minus here, minus 1 here. This is equals to 0. Then again, and once you open this bracket, you can go back to the equation. Then the next thing to do here, we can say here is plus. Then here must be plus, because if you remove this bracket, you can easily go back to there. Because minus 5 plus x is equals to minus 4x. Because if you remove this bracket, you can go back to the equation. Then in the next step, since we have two brackets are equal, then we can take 1 and we take 5x plus 1, and we can take x minus 1. That is the factor we can have as equals to 0. Then the next thing to do, we are going to have 5x plus 1 is equals to 0, or x minus 1 is equals to 0. Then here we can have 5x is equals to, if you take this one to this, the right hand side, it will be minus 1. Since we are looking for x here, we can divide both sides by 5. Here also by 5. This 5 cancel out. We have x is equals to 1 over minus 1 over 5. Then or here we can take 1 to the right hand side. Here we can have x is equals to 1. because when -1 cross the equality sign, it returns 1. That is the 2 factor of x. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.